Hey guys, my name is Christina. Welcome to the channel. Today's video, I'm giving my office space a brand new makeover. We're going from a cluttered, disorganized, boring office space to a modern, minimal, clean one. We're not really changing much. We're just moving some furniture around, getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff, and I've even bought a couple new office supplies. The reason for this change is because your girl is upgrading her editing process. None of you guys know this, but I've been editing all of my YouTube videos on my MacBook, and yes, it's the laptop my niece Sophia spilled juice all over. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll leave it in the cards or in the description down below. I love this laptop. It's a great laptop. But the problem is the bigger and more complex my projects are, the harder it is for my laptop to handle them. So it was time to upgrade. I got an iMac, and let me tell you, it makes editing so much more easier. With getting a new setup, I'm going to be giving my desk a makeover. It's hot in here, you guys. My pits are starting to sweat. What's nice about an iMac is that there aren't a lot of cords. And so with my old laptop, the reason why I had it facing a wall is because it took so many cords to power my old computer. So having it face the wall, it just hid the messiness. But now that I have an iMac, there aren't a lot of cords, so I'm gonna have my desk face the bedroom and the window, so it's a nice open space. And I personally just like this setup because when I have my computer facing a wall, it just feels like a box, and I feel like it's not the most healthiest. I don't feel inspired or motivated to get work done. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this is going to make a big difference in productivity. And also, I'm using these Velcro straps to also wrap any extra long wires so that they're not in the way, so. I like personalizing my desk with pictures of my family and David, and before I was using this cork board, and I think what I'm going to do is replace it with this picture frame. It was actually a gift, like I didn't know exactly where to put it. So now I'm just gonna take a couple of the pictures from the cork board and some of the cards that I've received in the last few months and place them in here, and then I'm gonna hang it up there. Banana! Hi, you like it? What are you doing? What are you doing? No, I'm just not feeling it. It's probably just a choice in photos, but that just means I need to go and find some photos. It's a fail. Next, we're gonna go over all the new things that I bought for the top of the desk that's really gonna pull everything together. And I especially wanna give this plant over here a shout out because it's fake. And let me tell you, it is really hard trying to find fake plants that look real. And I feel like this one really gets the job done. I love that it matches the minimalist vibe that I'm going for. And I especially like this plant because the pot itself is a matte gray, and I decided to buy this glossy textured toothbrush holder and use it as a pencil holder because I just didn't really like the options out there. I feel like if you look up pencil holders, it's like the generic wire pencil holders, and I just wasn't feeling that. I wasn't feeling that, so I decided to use this. In addition to that, I bought some new highlighters at a bookstore that's near my place, and I haven't tried this one, but I've seen a lot of people use this. They're called either mild ink or Mildliners or Mildliners. I'm not really quite sure. So these are going in here. And then next I want to go over this notepad that I also found at that same bookstore by my place, and it's 100% recycled paper, and I love having something like this like to the side because I feel like I'm constantly jotting things down to remind myself that I gotta do something. I mean, I don't always have my planner next to me, so this is really nice to reference at the end of the day when I need to fill in important dates, appointments, and like just things to do. Let's open it up because I really want to see. Like, I kind of want to feel the paper. Okay. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. This is pretty. Oh my god, I feel like it's too pretty to use. Last but not least, it's probably the most important part, but we've done a ton of redecorating, cleaning, organizing on the outside of the desk, and now we gotta organize the crap in the inside. And let me tell you, it is very disorganized. I feel like I kind of just threw a whole bunch of stuff in here. I mean, it's not that bad, but I just wish I had a better way of organizing it. And I do, because I bought these interlocking desk organizers. You can switch them out, change them, put them in whatever order you'd like and how the desk is going to be organized. And I bought this from Amazon. I mean, I feel like for $8, it was such a good deal. And this is probably my favorite part because I just have so much crap. Nice, so let me show you how this works. It comes with 3 different sizes. We have this small one here, which is perfect for paper clips, thumbtacks, that sort of thing. And then we have this one here. And then, oh, I'm sorry. It actually has 4 different sizes. We have this long one here, and then we have just this one here. And there are 9 pieces altogether. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, okay, look at this stapler. I remember using this stapler like since 8th grade, maybe even younger. It's so old, but it still works. I feel so guilty about getting rid of this. And I also don't really staple a lot of things. I don't really print out a lot of things, so hence why I have so many staples. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. Look at these long ones. I just figured out that my washi tape, I could just line them up like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like these kinds of videos, please give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that you guys like these kinds of videos. And also don't forget that notification bell. I will see you guys next time. Bye.